How can we bend the text in Canva? Here I am in the brand new project. Let's head to text section in our tool panel on the left. We can just add a plain text box. Here it is. Let's type the text in. I'm going to make it a bit larger. Okay. How can we bend it? How can we put it on path? How can we curve the text? Select the text and then search for effects here. Click on that. Scroll all the way down. First thing you see are styles. We don't need that right now. Let's scroll down to shape section. We got none, that's a straight text, or curve. So click curve. And after that, you will see there's additional slider below. So now I can move this slider to decide how the text is bent, how the text is curved. As you can see, it's kind of on the circle, but I can decide it's kind of at the bottom part of the circle or at the top part of the circle, and how big is the circle. So if you just want this text to be bent slightly, we need a huge circle. If you want the text to be bent strongly like that, you need a small circle. Keep in mind, you can still control the size of the text, and you can control the rotation as well, like that. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.